Hey superstar, hope you're doing amazing. This is Mark from Ivy Leads, and in this tutorial video, I'm going to share with you a new update on the email builder feature of the CRM. Now, what if you want a new fresh idea of how you can templatize an email, or you just want to make it easier for you to design it? Then this new feature will blow your mind, because if you click on new and you start a blank template using the design editor, there's a new element that is readily available for you. Just scroll down and you can find that under layouts. It's called text and image layout. Now what happens is that, let me just delete this first. Once you drag and drop it on the email, like this, you will see that this is already templatized for you, right? Pre-built. You have different options you can choose from. For example, content left, if you want that content on the right corner, if you want the content on the top, the bottom, or two double content, or even doubles in the top portion. You can see it's very easy to templatize an email. Now you can use this elements more than once, meaning you can create a full-blown email marketing template in a minute, because you don't have to drag and drop all of these different elements and try to think of a design, because it is already created for you, right? So let's use content left for example, and from here you can start just putting the title already, you know and then adding the body of the email, and then also you can add image. Right, just click on that and then click on the pencil button, and you can choose an image that has been uploaded into your media file, and then the button is already here as well. You just have to customize it by giving it a new name, or like a call to action that is powerful enough, and make sure that you put the link here as well. So once somebody clicks on this button, it will go to the page that you wanted. If you don't want a URL, you can even use file, telephone, and other actions for the button. You can also change the color of the background of the button. Just click on this color picker, or you can input the hex code of the color of your branding to change that as well. All right, so for example, you added one element here, you want to use the layout again to spice things up a bit. Let's do maybe this one now, and then there's another button here. So it's kind of like templatizing a whole email marketing in one go, because all these three elements are already in one drag and drop action, which contains the title, the button, and then the image. All right, this will help you lay out your emails a lot easier. So make sure to finish templating your email before you save it and send it to your contact, making sure that all the buttons are working, all the text and the images are updated. And then also on the three dots, don't forget to always go to setting, because this is where you're going to put your email subject line and your preview text, which are also important and crucial in making sure that your open rates are on industry standard. All right, if you have any question regarding this tutorial, let us know, so we can give you more clarity. If you want to learn more about a CRM specific thing that you want to master, let us know. We can create that for the next tutorial video. Have a great day.